Civil Engineer Technical Interview Questions. Interview for RE, Resident Engineer, and Civil Engineer by MOT, asked every times. Part 3. Q31. What is subgrade and what are the requirement of subgrade material? ANS, it is the soil foundation, which receives the direct traffic loads from the pavement. Requirement of subgrade materials. 1. Subgrade material should be A1A, A1B, A2-4 or A2-4 having no rock fragments larger than 10 cm. 2. CBR minimum 25%. 3. Material should be well graded with sufficient fines to permit compaction and compacting test. 4. 2 equal layers should be 15 cm each layer. 5. Minimum compaction 98%. Q32. What is AG? Base course and material? Why is layer thickness is required? What are the quality tests required? ANS, this work shall consist of spreading, furnishing and compacting one or more layers of ABC to the lines, elevations, and thickness shown on the plans and as specified in the specifications on prepared subgrade, subbase or existing road surface material required. ABC material should be clean, hard, durable, sharp angle fragments free from soft, and free from deleterious material. 1. Sodium sulfate soundness. 2. Abrasion. 3. Sand equivalent. 4. Atterberg limits. 5. Flat and elongated pieces. 6. CBR. 7. Sieve analyses. 8. Fractured faces. Q33. What are the quality requirements for aggregate base course material? ANS. 1. Sodium sulfate soundness 12 max. 2. Abrasion loss 45 max. 3. Sand equivalent 45 minutes. 4. Liquid limit 25 max. 5. Plasticity index 0.6 max. 6. Mechanically 2 fracture faces 90% by weight. 7. Flat and elongated pieces 0.8 max. 8. CBR for grade I 100 minutes. 9. CBR for grade 2 80 minutes. 10. CBR for grade 3 65 minutes. 11. Aggregate size for grade I 2 max. 12. Aggregate size for grade 2 1.5 max. 13. Aggregate size for grade 3 1 max. 14. Compaction 100%. Q34. How you will construct ABC. ANS. 1. The aggregate base shall be spread by spreader boxes or pavers machine. 2. The layer should not be less than 7 cm and nor more than 15 cm of compacted thickness. 3. The ABC shall not be spread more than 2,000 square meters in advance of the rolling. 4. After the course has been completely compacted, the surface shall be tested for smoothness and accuracy of grade and crown. 5. The finished surface shall not vary more than 9 mm from a 5 mm straight edge when applied to the surface parallel with and at right angles to the center line. 6. Thickness shall represent not more than 300 square meters by course. 7. When the difference is more than 12 mm, the contractor shall correct such areas by scarifying, adding base mixture, rolling, reshaping and finishing. Q35. Before pouring of concrete, what you will check for mixture. ANS. 1. First of all, surveyor has to check the levels and location of the structure. 2. Formwork, reinforcement should be checked as per bar bending schedule. 3. All equipments of the contractor should be checked for the pouring of concrete. 4. Weather condition also keeps in consideration. 5. Air temperature should be checked. Q36. If cement is low in concrete, but required strength is achieved, What you will do as per specification. Or if contractor make a design of concrete with less cement content than the require, and attain the required strength, will you accept it? If yes, then why, and if no, then why? Explain. ANS, we will reject it, because with the passage of time, durability of concrete will be affected. Q. 37 If voids and stability is low or voids are low and stability is satisfactory, how you will adjust the mix. Or if you are acting and your me inform you that the asphalt mix design shows that air voids and stability is low, how will you correct it? ANS, 1. By decreasing asphalt content, voids can be increased. Lowering the asphalt content, increases the voids content and also reduces the film thickness, which however decreases durability of the pavement. More reduction of film thickness also may lead to pavement brittleness, accelerated asphalt oxidation and increased. 2. Increase the coarse aggregate or reduce fine aggregate. 3. If the above adjustments do not produce a stable mix, the aggregate may have to be changed. Improve the quality of aggregate, more fractured faces and well-graded aggregate should be used. Q. 38 If voids are satisfactory but stability is low, how you will adjust the mix. ANS, if voids are satisfactory and stability is low, it means 1. Deficiencies in aggregate gradation. 2. To improve the quality of aggregates for more strength. 3. Fractured faces and well-graded aggregate should be used to adjust the mix. Q. 39 If voids are high, stability is satisfactory, or voids are high and stability is low, how you will adjust the mix. ANS, voids will be adjusted by adding mineral dust. If the adjustment does not improve, then improve the quality of aggregate. Q. 40 If CBR of the material is failed, how you will do for this material. ANS, CBR can be improved by adding more coarser material or reduces by adding more fine material. Q. 41 You are to select any one of the following for control of works, which you will select. A. Gen. Specification B, Special Specification C, BOQD, Drawings. ANS, we have to select as 1. Drawings. 2. Special Specifications. 3. Bill of Quantities. 4. General Specifications. Q. 42 If there is contradiction among General Specification and Special Specification, which one you will select? ANS, we have to follow the Special Specifications. Q. 43 How you will construct the road, if space for construction is very small. ANS, we can construct the road in small space, by constructing retaining walls. Q. 44 What is the purpose of doing liquid limit test? ANS, liquid limit can be determined to know shearing resistance of soil. Q. 45 If site inspector is complained against the contractor, how you will deal it? ANS, Q. 46 If cracks appeared on subgrade, how you will rectify it? ANS, if cracks appeared on subgrade, it means clay contents are more in material. It can be rectified by scarifying and adding more coarser material, then recompact it. Q. 47 What is A1A, A1B and A2-4 material, and how you will distinguish A2-4 material dumped on site? ANS, A1A, A1B is a mixture of stone fragments, gravel and sand. Whereas A2-4 is a mixture of silty or clayey gravel and sand. A1A and A1B material is coarser than A2-4 material. Q. 48 What are the tools required for checking of subgrade, and how the surface of compacted area of subgrade to be checked? ANS, with straight edge we will check the smoothness of compacted area of subgrade. Q. 49 How you will check rock fill preparation? ANS, refer to MOT circulars. Q. 50 What is soil classification? ANS, classify the soil in different classes or sizes. Q. 51 What are types of tests for soil classification? ANS, sieve analysis, plastic limit and plasticity index, Atterberg limits, Q. 52 What is CBR, how much surcharge weight is needed? ANS, it is the measure of shearing resistance of soil to the direct penetration under the controlled density and moisture. It evaluates stability of soil and other material, passing 20 mm sieve, is used only. It is also defined as the ratio of the test load to the standard load, expressed as percentage for a given penetration of the plunger. CBR equals, test load / standard load, x 100. Part 4 coming. Like, subscribe and share.